How to hide your birthday on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Also, make sure you're logged into your account before doing this. Then click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find birthday, which is the third option below username. Click on birthday. Before it used to be hide birthday or only birthday, but now they have changed it to birthday party. And make sure there's no tick mark in here. As you can see, if there is tick mark, it will add a cake-like icon next to your name, display a special birthday charm, help friends find and celebrate your birthday, and some other fun surprises. And this is how to hide your birthday. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.